Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Annalyn Tapa. So today guys, hindi muna tayo mag-tutorial, magbablog muna tayo dahil mag-get together na naman kami guys ng aming family and friends. So magba-barbecue party uli kami guys. At salamat sa support always guys.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher.
Guys, we are here now in Mamzar beach side Look at it, very nice weather. See. Nice. It's windy.
Waves sobbing.
The waves is big. We are near. We are almost near. We are almost near. It's very, very loud. Very, very big waves. Oh.
As we shout from the top, we're gonna be. We're gonna be. Two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky. Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings. Oh my God! As the chemicals that take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun. As she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light. Pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top.